The kangaroo is a marsupial. It eats mainly grass. Kangaroos have large, strong hind legs and big feet for jumping. They have long, powerful tails to help them balance when they jump. A group of kangaroos is called a mob. A baby kangaroo is a joey. It lives and feeds in its mother's pouch until it's big enough to leave. The koala is a marsupial. It eats eucalyptus leaves and hardly ever drinks water. Koalas have 2 thumbs. They have strong clawed feet which are perfect for living and climbing in the branches of trees. Koalas spend most of their time sleeping. A baby koala is called a joey. It lives and feeds in its mother's pouch until it's big enough to leave. Then its mother carries it on her back for a while. The platypus might be the world's most unusual animal. It has a leathery bill that looks like a duck's. It has webbed feet to swim, as they spend most of their time in freshwater streams and rivers. Platypus have thick waterproof fur with a long flat tail to help them swim. They eat worms, freshwater shrimp and crayfish. Platypus are monotremes. They lay a round leathery egg. When the egg hatches, the baby is fed on its mother's milk. Sugar glider. The sugar glider has black rings around its big black eyes, which help it see at night. The sugar glider's tail is bushy, long and wide to help it balance and steer while it's gliding. The tail is able to grip and is used to carry leaves into its nest. It had small teeth. The baby is called a joey. The dingo is a mammal and Australia's wild dog. Dingoes don't bark, they howl like wolves. They have yellow or reddish-brown hair and a bushy tail. They have pricked ears which are good for hearing. Dingoes eat almost anything. They hunt and eat other animals, even insects. Babies are called pups. The wombat is the largest burrowing marsupial in the world. Wombats are slow, solid animals with short, strong legs. They have strong claws for digging burrows. They have teeth like a rat and eat mostly grass, roots, herbs and bark. They are nocturnal. which means they are active at night foraging for food. A baby wombat's called a joey. The frilled-necked lizard is a reptile that lives in trees. The frilled-necked lizard opens its large frill around its neck. Frill necks normally run on 4 legs, but it can stand up and run on its back legs also. A frill-necked lizard has a long body and a long tail. They have scaly skin and need to bask in the sun to warm their bodies. They eat insects, other small animals and lizards. The Tasmanian devil is a marsupial which is now found only in the wild in Tasmania. The Tasmanian devil is nocturnal. It sleeps during the day and is active at night looking for meat to eat, usually dead or sick animals. They have powerful jaws and sharp teeth to crunch through bones. Tasmanian devils are famous for their loud screeching. Devils are mostly black, usually with white markings on their rump or their chest. Their baby is called a joey. The echidna. The echidna is covered with 2 types of hair, short fur and hard, spiky, longer hair. They have big, strong claws for digging quickly into the ground for protection. They have long, pointy snouts with a fast, sticky tongue. They have no teeth. They eat ants and termites caught by their sticky tongue. Echidnas are monotremes. A baby echidna is called a puggle. When the puggle hatches, it's fed on its mother's milk. There are only 2 monotremes in the world, the echidna and the platypus. The bilby is a nocturnal marsupial. The bilby is the largest bandicoot with long ears. The bilby is an expert digger with a long pointed nose. Bilbies have long tails with a white tip. They scratch around at night looking for seeds, grubs, bulbs, fruit or insects to eat. A baby bilby is called a joey. Crocodiles are reptiles. The saltwater crocodile is the world's largest crocodile. Saltwater crocodiles have big tails that propel them through the water. They have very strong jaws full of sharp teeth. They have the strongest bite of any animal in the world. They eat a variety of fish, birds and other animals. They have thick skin which is like an armour.